everyone. Not like
Are you gonna do your makeup?
sunscreen lang. Last day ng Big Bad Wolf ngayon. Tapos pupunta kami. Yay! Tapos ang outfit ko, very old school. Tapos ang laki na ng bag ko. Tapos magsa-sunscreen lang ako. And then, we're good to go. Oh my god. Flex. Light flex go easy. Watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world. Then mother wolf. With the powder. And then we'll do it. Oh. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Big bad wolf. I have a big bag. Nandito na kami. Hindi na ako vlog kanina kasi nahiya ako. Puntahan na natin. Rar. Wow. Hey. Wow. This is marvelous. Let's go down. It's bad lightning. Lightning? Look here. Pala pag nag-vlog ako, ikaw kasama ko kasi masipag ka mag-video eh. Guys, nasa Glorieta 4 na kami. And ayun na, kita ko na yung Big Bad Wolf. Yes! Wait. Sige, takbo. Go! Go! Wag! Ano ba yan? Nandito na kami sa Big Bad Wolf. Maghahanap ako ng books na mga head empty books na hindi mahirap basahin tsaka intindihin para lang makapagbasa ako. Oh my god! Tingnan mo. I look so nakahanap na ako ng 3 book. Pero may hinahanap ako isa. Hindi ko talagang makita. Okay, nice. Picture.
tada, pause ka.
Got the goods. Got the goods. Tapos ngayon, kakain kami. Ang sakit ng likod ko. Tsaka lakad. Ewan ko kung paano ko maglakad. Parang naka-straight naman nata yung likod ko.
We're here.
Pakita natin. Hintayin natin itong box. Let's eat. Tara na. Guys. Makain na kami. Nawala ng kulay bibig ko. To the Batmobile.
So guys, it's the big bag roll. Nandiyan na kami kanina.
Wrong. Hi guys. So before I start editing the video, I'm preparing to edit this vlog. Pero, like last year, papakita ko muna kung ano yung books na pinili ko. I bought 3 books ulit tulad last year. 2 fiction, tapos isang non-fiction. Pakita ko muna sa inyo, guys. So, ayun. 3 books yung binili ko. This is non-fiction. These 2 are fiction. Tapos, yung total price nito, hindi ako umabot ng 1,000 pesos. So, itong Cobble Hill is 280 pesos. This one, The Things You Should Already Know About Dating, is also 280 pesos. This last one, The Amazing Story of Adolphus Tips, is 220 pesos, amounting to a total of 780 pesos. Last year, bumili ako ng bag para sa lalagyan ng books. Ngayon, hindi. Pero maganda yung yung design ng bag nila. Hindi ko lang napakita. So, start na natin i-open. Tapos mamaya, papakita ko ulit yung montage. Kunyari, ganun. Unahin natin si Michael Purgo, Adolphus Tips. Open natin siya. Tagal din na lang. Sorry. Ito naman sa gilid. So, ano siya? Yung texture ng cover. Diyan lang siya. It's not that thick. Feeling ko mabilis na basahan lang to kapag tinuloy-tuloy ko. Oh! The smell of freshly opened books. May mga may nakita ko mga image. Oh! Wow! May mga image sa loob. I thought it would just be...
Yuki.
Yuki, tara dito. Yuki.
Ganda, Yuki.
Dali. I have a cat of my own, guys. Siya si Adolfo Tips. Siya si Yuki. Yuki Tips. Okay, go away. So, ang story daw nito, according to the author, is an incredible tale. Okay. Yuki, so clingy. This is the incredible tale of a deserted village, a lifelong friendship, and one very adventurous cat. So, dito sa book na to, papakita natin, hindi, siguro malalaman natin kung ano yung like adventures ni Mr. Adolphus Tips on his journey somewhere. Next is things you should already know about dating. Ano lang, parang na-curious lang ako sa book na to kasi it's comedy daw. Go get it!
Ang galing.
Ma-open. Wait lang. Yeah. I opened this side. Ay. So, wala pala akong biniling hardbound books. Unlike last year, meron akong binili isa yata na hardbound. This is wobbly. Tapos parang, ay hindi. Ito kasi, mas squeaky. Ito wala. This is smooth. Even with my sweaty hands. And this also has figures. Oh, may mga image din sa loob. So, this story daw, this has 100 essential dating tips that will save you from dying alone. I'm not dating anyone. Hoy! Nor am I planning to date
TMI,
anyone
TMI.
TMI. Sabi nila, funny as hell, no joke. Definitely worth the price of the book. Ganyan. Basically, mga tips nga lang siya for dating. Hindi mo kailangan siyang sundin, probably. Pero ayun, mga funny siguro yung nakalagay dito. And last one we have is Cobble Hill. Ito yung pinakamakapal na book na binili ko ngayon. Kasi ito, pareho lang sila. It's like thin books lang. Tapos this is fiction. Ang story daw niya is about 4 messed up families trying to hold it together and hold on to each other while their lives go up in flames. Very comedy type siya siguro. Parang nasa apartment chuchunes sila nakatira. Let us feel the cover and also smell the pages of the book. Yan. Bilis ko lang na-open. Nice. Ma-shiny din siya. Oh, it's also smooth. Ito meron siyang texture eh. Ito. Pero hindi siya nag-squeak. Ito, feel mo tong nakaumbok onte. Ayan. Ang may pinakamabango, I mean, yung feel ng libro, is etong una. Kaya, ito na guys yung 3 libro na binili ko. And hopefully, mabasa ko siya within this year. Or before matapos yung summer break. Summer break ba ngayon? Basta yan, yung break from school. Kasi I'm on a break right now. I'm an incoming 3rd year college. Amazing! Amazing! Babasahin natin to. Along with the other books na hindi ko pa nabasa last year. So, lapit ka unti. Ito na guys. Mandatory montage ng mga books na binili ko. Yay! Books! Woohoo! So last day na kasi ng Big Bad Wolf dito sa Philippines, specifically sa Glorieta 4 Activity Center. This June 27? June 27. So, June 27 is the last day of Big Bad Wolf. And if you got your books dito, then good for you. If you didn't, siguro magkakaroon ulit. Hindi ko kasi alam yung scheduling nila. Pero this is like the second time na nagkaroon ng Big Bad Wolf this year. Hindi ako nakapunta ng unang Big Bad Wolf this year. Pero baka next year ulit meron, or maybe before the year ends. So, reading is a good habit to have kasi not only are you expanding your vocabulary but also you are training your mind to, alam mo yun, na mag-imagine, to go to another dimension within the pages of the books that you are reading. There are also other ways to read books naman. Either digital or graphic books or comics, ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sinasabi ko to. Pero if you're reading, good for you. If you're not, try it. Baka magustuhan mo. So, pag mag-start ka mag-read ng books, hindi ako expert pero read, okay lang nga kahit hindi books Kunyari, mga alternate universe, mga fanfiction, ganun. Once you start from that, tapos natuloy-tuloy mo, you will eventually buy like physical books just to satisfy your cravings to read books or whatever shenanigans. So, ayun lang for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to make more vlogs in the future. Tinatamad kasi ako mag-edit tsaka mag-video from time to time. Kaya, ayun. Hahaha. Andito yung sister ko. Kasama ko siya kanina. Bumila ng books. Ano sasabihin mo sa kanila?
Bye!
Bye! Anong outro ko?
Malay ko.
Bye, guys!